Here we go, fam. Working on the 47 Chevy. Got the carburetor on. I'm doing the fuel pump. It's not the original motor, but 350 crate motor, GM Performance crate motor. Stock, this intake carburetor. Yeah. So yeah, pretty clean truck. Been repainted. It used to be white. Belonged to one of the team members. He sold it. So yeah, just having the usual problem when these vehicles sit for a while. Carburetor gets gummed up, clogged up. So had to rebuild a carb, clean it out, gaskets. In the process of putting everything back together. It's the interior. Gonna have to drain out the gas tank. Which is behind the seat. Drain out the old gas, put the new gas in it. And gotta do a little minor electrical work, this and that on it. So, yeah, fam, stay tuned. Once I get it up and running, I'm gonna post another video. 1947 Chevy pickup. All right, later.